$3,000 off one singular AI video. And trust me guys, this video took me less than an hour to make. So if you're trying to start YouTube automation in 2026, I'm going to show you guys the easiest way, easiest tools, and the most simplest way you can start as a complete beginner. Let me show you. So guys, first of all, we're going to be looking for video ideas, and the video ideas are going to be outliers. So first of all, I want you to head over to this tool called app.vidnex.ai. all right. So once you're in the website, all you need to do is come over to this niche research, okay, then go over to faceless outliers. So once you're on faceless outliers, I want you to search for the keyword. Okay, so there are different keywords for different niches, but me personally, I'm in the billionaire stories niche. So once I click on billionaire stories, I click on find outliers, and it's going to scan for outliers. Okay, so I'm just going to select the video idea I want to talk about from all these video ideas right now. So you can see this video did 60,000 views by a channel that has 400 subscribers in just 18 days. So this is a very good outlier. So you can see it has a potential, a very high potential of going viral. So let's check out the video and see
3 weeks after
how it is. So guys, as you can see right now, this video channel has 400 subscribers, and this video did 60,000 views in 2 weeks. As you can see, it's a long form video. It's a 1 hour video. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to be recreating this video to go viral for my channel. To create the story, I'm going to be going to ChatGPT, and I'm going to be pasting in my customized prompt. So I'm going to be heading over to my notes app in my computer. I'm going to be copying this, then head over back to ChatGPT, and I'm going to be pasting it in here. Okay, so now I head over back to the video and copy the exact title, go over to ChatGPT and put the title in my prompt. So guys, now I put the title in my prompt, I'm going to hit send and wait for ChatGPT to give me my own billionaire story. Okay guys, so to create the images for my story, I'm going to head back to the original video, and I'm going to be using the thumbnail as a video, as an image reference. Okay, so I'm going to click on this right here from vidIQ, and I'm going to be downloading the thumbnail. So once the thumbnail is downloaded, I'm going to be heading to another website to get the prompt for the thumbnail. So guys, you're going to be going to this website called imagedescriber.online. This is where you're going to be uploading the image to get the prompt. So let's upload our image together. So guys, you can see right now I found the image. I'm going to be uploading it to the website. Then I'm going to click on AI describe image in detail. Then I'm going to click on describe image. So what this does is going to give me a prompt I'm going to be using to. So guys, I said that on the website has given me a proper prompt. I'm going to be copying this, then I'm going to be heading to another website to generate the image. Okay guys, this is the website we're going to be generating the image. You can see the name of the website is labs.google.fx. okay, so all I have to do right now is to paste in the prompt I generated, then I'm going to click on send. So guys, that took some seconds, and you can see Google Wix has generated some images for me, and it looks very similar to that of my competitors. You can see very similar. So we're going to be downloading the images right now, and we're going to be heading to the next website to animate the images. So guys, next website for you to go to right now is haley.video. As you can see, this is the website you're going to be animating the images. All you need to do is click on this right now. I'm going to be uploading the images from your computer. Then once you're done, you click on this to generate the videos. Then once you're done, it's going to look something like this. You can see the images are going to be animated with AI. Okay, so it looks something very similar to this. Okay guys, as I say right now, ChatGPT is done generating our story. All we need to do is copy the entire transcript, okay, and we're going to be turning this entire transcript to a voiceover. So all I need to do is copy this, then head over back to vidnex AI. Okay, so on vidnex AI, you can see you can come right here to text to speech on this section right now, and you're going to be pasting in your transcript. So all I need to do is paste in the transcript right now, and I'm going to be clicking on generate speech right here. You can see at the top bottom right now, I'm going to click on generate speech. Okay, you can see right now it's generating right here. Once you're done, you piece everything together in CapCut, and you're going to be adding, you're going to be adding the arrows, you're going to be adding the subtitles, you're going to be adding the effects and everything, and that's how you're going to be able to make good money like this on YouTube. You can see 300,000 views right now, and the same video made me $3,000, and it's still getting views to this day right here. If you want to get the exact prompts I use, all you need to do is click the link in the description, or if you're very lazy, all you need to do is comment the word prompt and I'll send it to you.